Hello and welcome back to another unboxing. As you see, we already unboxed, two of them. But we're unboxing 3 of these packages yet again. Because, you know, surprise, surprise. It's a surprise. Yeah. Well, here's the packaging right here. So, there's an app on the back. Right there. And, yeah, let's go ahead and open it the rest of the way. Alright. This one's a new one, I believe, that I did not see yet before. It's called Hydro Blast. It's 4 attack and plus 4 frost. And I did learn what frost does. I don't remember if I said it on a video yet, but what it's supposed to do is if the next person that the person that's being attacked, their trap card costs that much more. So, yeah. Ice Barrier. A lot of Aqua's cards. Ice Selection. Ice Sickle. Alright. Luminous Armor. Here's a trap card for example. So if that last one, it plus 4 to this. So yeah, Repel, Destruction, stops Darkus or Pyrus, or yeah. Rise of Darkus, Darkus Diamond Garganoid, don't have that, but it is a good card, nevertheless. And we got a super rare hero card. Alright, so Domination, if your Bakugan are holding the most Baku cores, this costs 3 less to pay. And plus 200 to your Bakugan as well. Oh, so there you go. Shiny and stuff. And then we have a reflective common here, shiny. Fragile Delight, -5 to a non-Chaos Bakugan. There we go. Let's go ahead and open this one. Same thing as the other one, just different character in the front. I believe that's the only difference. Who knows? But I'm pretty sure they are the same. Darkest Strike. Smash. These are the first one I see this one. Have the Turtle Bakugan and Fangzor right there. Don't remember the turtle one's name. Sonic Howl. Cycling Ichor. Repel Destruction once again. Oh, oops, kind of spoiler that one for you. Defending Roar. Hyper Dragonoid. It is the same card as we got last time. In the last packaging video of cards. Good to have more than one evolution card. Increases your chance. China Riot. Exorb. Hot Potato. I like the name of this card, as you heard before. Is that it? Up, no, it's just a reflective version of that. Alrighty, we're already at the last set of cards. Let's go ahead and rip it open. Ah! Kind of anticlimactic, really. Yep, so here's the back, front. Yeah, there's a Dragonoid right there. Go ahead and get this thing open. If I can get it open. Okay. Chase City. So yeah, this stops Chaos or Ventus, or it does both, but still. Okay, we got another flip card. Chase Ventus. Punish Choose a player to discard a card. So I don't think this one is just there to be there, but I'm not sure if that stops a attack. I don't think it does. Halt Aquas stops Aquas. There's a lot of flip cards here. Halt Darkus, literally the same art, just different color. Just realized that. Chase Chaos stops Chaos and only Chaos. Okay, finally into cards that are here. It's straight. Implosion destroys an energy card. It's pretty good. And we got Hyper Pegatrix. It's rare. So only for our list, of course. And it has 1,100 B power and plus 6 attack. I forgot to say it in any of the other ones. The Darkest Dragon has 1,006 attack. I keep on forgetting to do that sometimes. But you can see it, at least. So yeah, you can get 500 more B power just on a green fist. This is pretty good, if I have it. Of course, if we don't have it, it's not going to be as much useful. Pact of Darkest, or Darkness, sorry. Stop non-Darkest, and you can sacrifice a card just to play for this one for free. Last card, and it's Shadow Trap. It's shiny. And yeah. So, more evolution cards, flip cards galore, and then a bunch of these normal cards. Well, of course, we got that hero card that was rare. No, super rare, I mean. So, yeah. Yeah, that's the boxing once again. Yeah. Alright, as always, have a blessed day.